arranging and organizing for an evenly spaced, ordered display.
In today's video, we're going to talk about alignment. Basically, what we're talking about is arranging things evenly and neatly so that they look ordered. It can be really easy to get our alignment right, and it can also be really difficult. I see students do this all the time where they have trouble and they struggle with how to arrange things on a page. So imagine that we have this white page as our presentation border, and we have this element that we want to arrange somewhere, let's say about 2 inches off the corners, and then we'll cut a 2-inch border over here. If I just go in and measure 2 inches, there we are, and I tape that down, this side is very likely not going to be 2 inches because it's hard to get it exact. And you can eye it and imagine that you're fooling people, but the more things on your board, the more elements, as well as the more space and the way that these margins start to line up, the easier it is to spot that and figure out that things are not aligned. So instead, all we have to do is make a mark at 2 inches here, but also make a mark down towards the end of our element. That way, with a thin line in between, we know for sure that when we line it up along this line, it's going to be exactly parallel to the edge of our presentation board. If we do the same thing for the top, then we would have a 2-inch border over here as well. So let's do that real quick. Little mark on one side, another little mark on the other side, a light line to connect them. And now we have a 90-degree angle with which to align our 90-degree angle element. And now these two borders are exactly and precisely lined up. If we wanted to make this whole thing a presentation, might as well go all the way. Once we have our element in place, we can measure up 2 inches here. And 2 inches here. Longer ruler. And now with our element in place, when we cut off this border, we know we'll have an exactly 2-inch border around everything. And just like that, we've got everything in exact place. Now, let's imagine that we're going to try with something a little bit more complicated. What if we have multiple elements and we want them arranged neatly and evenly? There's a number of orientations we could put these in. We could lay them like this, or even this way. But I'd like them to be stacked up nice and neatly next to one another. So I'm going to go with this orientation. And we're going to utilize the same technique that we used in the last measurement. We're going to utilize the border that's already here in a 90-degree angle and measure off of that. Say I want just 1 inch of space around each one. All we have to do is measure 1 inch over here. And connect those lines. And then 1 inch over here. To give us a 90-degree angle that exactly mimics this 90-degree angle and is even all the way around. So now we know where our first swatches needs to be placed. But we need to make measurements as well for this space. And because we know that our swatches are 2.5 inches, and we want a 1-inch border, just like we have on the top, then we're going to add 1, which is 3.5, measuring up from where our first swatch starts. Again, we'll make 2 measurements to be sure that we're exactly even. And now we know where our second swatch starts. Since we measured 3.5 from here to here, we'll do it again the same way. And just like that, we've got our measurements in place. Now, we used a 3.5 inch measurement to get to the next step, so let's do it one more time to establish our border. And from here, we can measure up 1 inch off of our element. And we have an exact border around every single one of our elements. As soon as we cut that down, and erase a few of our marks. We have an orderly and even presentation.